Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin network access and the DNS Saline binary available. This prevents interruptions later. Once confirmed, install an SSH client and a text editor so you can edit configs remotely and locally. Make a backup of existing DNS configuration and export any zone files. This is your safety net if changes break resolution. Now connect to the target host, verify binaries run, and create a working directory for DNS Saline configuration files before making edits. Once the working directory is ready, edit Saline. Conf to define listeners, upstream forwarders, and cache size. You do this to control query flow and performance. Next, import or translate your zone files, set appropriate TTL values, and run the built-in syntax validator or a dry run to catch parsing errors. After validation, deploy DNS Saline via systemd or a container image, and watch the startup logs closely to ensure it binds to expected interfaces and begins answering queries without rejections or crashes. To finalize, point a test client at the DNS Saline server and run dig or enslookup to verify authoritative responses and measure latency. This confirms end-to-end operation. Then enable monitoring and alerts for high error rates or unusual query volumes so you catch regressions early. If things go wrong, check the DNS Saline logs first, then firewall rules and listener bindings, and finally revalidate zone syntax. Often a misplaced semicolon or incorrect record type causes failures, so correct that and reload the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.